Are you facing the issue of your graphics card not being detected in Windows 10? Don't worry, we have a solution for you. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to fix this problem. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing the Quick Access menu. To begin, press the Windows key plus an X on your keyboard. This will open the Quick Access menu, which provides quick access to various system tools and settings. Step 2. Choosing Device Manager. From the list of options in the Quick Access menu, select Device Manager. This will open the Device Manager window, where you can manage and troubleshoot hardware devices on your computer. Step 3. Expanding the Display Adapters section within the Device Manager window. Locate and expand the Display Adapters section. This section contains the list of graphics cards installed on your system. Step 4. Enabling the graphics card now. Right-click on the graphics card that is not being detected in the list. From the context menu that appears, select the Enable option. This action will enable the graphics card and make it detectable by Windows 10. Step 5. Confirming the change. After enabling the graphics card, close the Device Manager window. The changes will be applied automatically. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of your graphics card not being detected in Windows 10. Enjoy smooth and optimal graphics performance on your system once again. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.